What's up everybody, it's me Rudresh. We're back again with another new video of Transit Pixels. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a solution of a small problem that I found inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Actually, I was working on a project inside Adobe Premiere, and after importing my footage, when I played it inside the source monitor, I noticed that the footage is horizontally stretched and my original video footage was of aspect ratio 2:3, but after importing them into Premiere, it automatically converted it into the 16:9 aspect ratio. With the odd aspect ratios like 2:3 or 17:9, Premiere automatically converts it into a more wider aspect ratio because these aspect ratios are used for the video footages captured with an anamorphic lens. Okay, that's a separate story. Now to fix it, you have to simply select your footage and go to Clip, then Modify and Interpret Footage. Or you can also right click on your footage and can go to Modify then Interpret Footage. And a new window will appear where you have to choose the Conform to option found inside Pixel Aspect Ratio. Now from the drop down box, you have to choose Square Pixels. And after choosing that, you just have to hit the enter button, and now it's done. Your footage is now back to normal. So that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more new awesome contents related to photos, videos, graphics, manipulations and all those kind of stuffs.